Kawasaki mule turns over but won't start.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, checked all that.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I've replaced fuel filter and fuel pump.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. What is the engine model number? Twin engine or single cylinder? Do you have spark at the plugs?
Single engine on 2014 Kawasaki Mule 610. I haven't checked spark yet.
Has to have spark and fuel to run. Check the spark.
Okay.
Let me know.
It has no spark at the plug. Hello.
No spark at the plug. Did you try a different plug? Next would be to locate the coil and remove the small wire at the coil and check again, to see if the kill wire is killing the spark.
I tried a new plug. Okay, I'll try to find the coil and remove the wire. I unplugged the wire and still no spark.
Then the coil/armature has failed. You need a new one.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.